Hey, good morning. Welcome to Viking Preparedness. I am Pastor Joe Fox's coffee cup because he's behind the camera. And this is
Palmetto Paratrooper.
All right, today I asked Palmetto Paratrooper to show us his bushcraft roll because I'm starting to get interested in it, and I'm going to shut up and let him talk.
Yeah, hurry up and do that. This is Carhartt. I think I got it off of Amazon. But I basically ordered it because I wanted something to pack my bushcraft tools in that will roll up and fit into my bag pretty easily. Now my Husqvarna hatchet here, or whatever it is, yeah, everybody knows this. I usually keep a like an old sock folded over a couple times because it sticks out of the roll. And I got picture hanging wire wrapped around it, is not just as a neck guard, but so I can trap animals with it if I need to. Thank you. It's also my handmade fork and spoon.
Yeah, those are nice.
Out of cedar heartwood. My poop shovel.
Yeah. And root digger.
Yeah, see how dirty it is? Because it gets used. This you don't often see in a bushcraft roll, and it's kind of heavy. It's a spoke shave.
What do you do with that?
I make feather shavings with it, but it was designed for making wagon wheel spokes, so you can have a nice smooth pole. This is a more bushcraft black. Also used. See how rusty it is? Not like the best knife Mora makes, but it's affordable and it'll take an edge real easy. Used to have a little diamond encrusted sharpener here, but the glue came off.
It has a ferro rod on it?
Yeah. And there's the Baco Laplander.
I have that. I've never used it, but I have it.
The poor man's folding saw. It's like, if you can't afford a Silky, this is the way you should go. I've had this for probably 6 years now, and it works fine. Never sharpened it. Cut down stuff with it all the time. And the only spare knife that I carry, other than like a little Swiss Army knife, is a fillet knife, because I don't want to use a bushcraft knife to fillet a fish. These little pouches right here have my little sharpening puck. And space blanket, trash bag, and I usually keep one of those little yellow disposable ponchos in here, but I gave it to my wife for to go.
Well, that's cool. I've seen a lot of these bushcraft rolls in the last couple of days. I've been watching bushcrafting videos, and then I thought, well, you've got one. Let's do a vid on it. And you've clearly used yours before. It's not just something you bought and then keep rolled up in your garage or something.
Yeah, it's all dirty and banged up and scuffed.
Do you have a tool that you don't have in there that you're thinking about getting?
You know, that's a good question. I typically don't like think about a tool that I want. I just, while I'm camping, I realize, hey, if I had this, it would be handy. And then when I come out of the woods, I go get it.
Right. Yep, that makes sense. Well, thank you for showing me that.
Absolutely.
Showing us that. And eventually I may have something like that also. I have a lot of those tools already. I just haven't put them together in a cool little pile like that.
It cleans up real quick, especially if you don't pull all the tools out at once. You know? You just slide your tool back in there and roll it up and slide it down into your bag, or you can put it on top of your bedroll or whatever.
All right. Well, from Sukkot, I'll see you out there.